people will convince themselves with this fake it or till you make it mentality to justify them buying shit that they don't need to buy. The people that's speaking about fake it till you make it positively is not in the sense of go and spend money to live this fake lifestyle that you should be saving money to fund. That doesn't make sense now, does it? I want to fake it till I make it, so I go and buy a Gucci bag and I gotta make sure I look. No, that's the same money that you're supposed to be investing with. The fake it till you make it to me is kind of the mentality, and not necessarily the items and the materialistic aspect of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you could dress up nice, but you don't need to dress up in Prada, Gucci, all these things, or buy the fake shit. The problem is nobody wants to wear the fake shit. They want to still get a real shit to appear real. The real root cause of it is they want to impress everybody else because status. Yeah, they try and flex. They want that status symbol. That's how these things is worth. Status.